Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Today we have a 2021 Chevy Express 3500. We need to program a key immobilizer. We use Hotel MI6. It doesn't want to work. So it say 12 minutes. It finished the 12 minute. It doesn't want to work at all. Now we have the key here. As you see, this is Circuit Plus from the dealer original. The part number is there, and let us try to use our TLC. On the TLC you have 3 axes. This axis you don't need to do it. This axis also I'm not going to do it. I'm going to get this one here. It have global diagnostic, GDS, and programming. Sometimes you have only global diagnostic, but it doesn't have programming. So let's see if we have everything in it. Is going to connect. It depends what you say. This page is not authorized. You are not authorized to use this page, but see what is gonna come. TLC admin console. As soon as it's come here, download Tech Connect. If you never have it, launch Tech Connect, and now here it will connect directly. You're gonna wait a little bit. Don't click it again. You see here it will check. They call it Tech Line Connect TLC, and the car will look like the battery also is dead here in this car. Let me connect first through the OBD2. I will be able to get a connection at least, and then from there you see there is a download. You have to be patient till everything is done. Tech Line Connect Core, Tech Line Connect Download, Service Programming. After this one is finished, we already have 3 active download. As soon as it finishes 100%, then we can go into programming section. You see now it's downloading it. 3%, 2%. So let me wait a little bit. After the download, we come back. No. No. Is it GM or a Zuzu?
It's a Chevy.
Yeah, Chevy. It has a module. I will program, no problem. What year? All active. When they're done, they move up. This is a Tech Connect. Then after everything is good, I believe it will read the scanner, and it will take you to another software where you can do programming, or you can do the Sps2, but I'm not sure. But just let's go with it now. This is 27 left. We wait a little bit. He putting a charger there. I try to program this key. It doesn't work with this scanner. So we're gonna try to see if we'll be able to do it with different one. The Tech Line Connect Core, maybe it take a little bit while because it's going very slow. Anytime you want to do things, you may have to go through this checking list, checking update, if it is already okay or not. By the way, the battery went dead. I turned the ignition off for a little while, and then I started, the car start. So I don't want to give bad credit to Hotel. No, it worked. I have to be honest. I don't know if just because because it said that if it doesn't work, turn the key for 2 minutes, but I left the key off for more than 2 minutes. Let me see this one. So let me see. I'm gonna leave that one. I'm gonna just stay with this one to be sure that does it start because we turn the key off on or leave the ignition on for 10 minutes, or just it work. But anyhow, my car start with the key. So that's the first video that I have it. Just get it right that it was working. Now my problem here is we are back to Tech Connect. Because we are in Tech Connect, let us just see how does it work and what is the functionality. The car is already programmed, thank God. The programming never failed. But let us see with this one what is gonna come as a diagnosis. Right now I am doing the Tech Connect. I was trying to communicate with it after you pay the subscription, or if you have the subscription. I am at 98%. I don't know why it's going very slow. Is that because the internet is slow or something else? But let us go together and work with Tech Connect. How to use it and what is the difference. I know that GDS, if you want to use GDS, maybe you have to pay more money to activate the GDS by itself. The subscription also, they have their own, but the computer will go through all the diagnosis like you see here. After 95%, 100%, let's see what's gonna come on. You're gonna be 3, checklist, check for software update, downloading update 1, active download. 97, we want to see what's going to happen after that. Does it come diagnosis, GDS, SPS, or only SPS? Because you have two places, programming or SPS and GDS together. No active download at this moment. Tech Connect will check for update within a few hours. Okay. Can I get in? Yes. Oh, this is FDRS. I don't need that. But this is a Tech Connect update. You see how it's working? Installing all this Tech Connect download managers. So you have to be patient. Is go through all this. Tech Connect. Time remaining 7 minutes. TLC. So that you have to be patient. GDS2 database global. You see, the setup must update file or service that cannot be updated while the system is running. If you choose to continue, a reboot will be required to complete the setup. No, I'm just gonna leave it. So this is the new Tech Connect system that's work. I did programming for this using this machine for 2021. It worked, but it said you have to leave the key off for a couple of seconds. I left it for 2 minutes. It doesn't work. But let us go through this one now. Now, Tech Connect download manager. Now the next one is Sps2. This is where Sps1 is changed to TLC or SPS, and then you see GDS2 data global. See. GDS2 sub, that's complete. Anytime you wanna work on it, this is for Ford. FlexNet software. Now you see, checking for software update. It does it 2 times. Take your time. See here, renewing GDS lease, and it will give you the information there. Here is the Tech Connect, here is the username, password. All this stuff is gonna come down, and then from there you can go log in, enter standalone mode. I don't need nothing. Version to server, so they make it so very funny. You see here, management car, you have it. Do I have this car before? Yeah, I have this car before here. So I'm gonna click and it will take me there. You see here, the VIN number, the car, the GDS. all the information are there. Your software, GDS2, dashboard. Let me go to dashboard. So this is the car and everything is there. You see here, they connect the MDI, and on the far right, the username and password. Now we are in the GDS. Let me see if I have dashboard. Dashboard, GDS, you know, the information. Okay. I don't see anything that related to SPS. I don't see anything for programming here. It look like if you want to use the GDS, I believe you come through here. This is only for diagnose. Diagnose module, enter, and then all the modules enter, or engine control module. You're gonna go through it and then click next. Next, display DTC. You see if there is anything, it will show you. Now let's go back. I'm gonna close this one. You have to go back home. One step, go home. You see now here, manage package. You have 3 weeks or anything, 3 weeks or 3 months to have it to diagnose. But I don't see anything related to programming. Okay, let me go back. Shut it now. This is maybe GDS. Okay, let me go back to my website. I want to go back one more. AC Delco. I'm gonna choose. You see, this is Global Diagnosis System plus Tech to Win. If you want to do Tech to Win and diagnose here, but if you need the service programming, you have to go to the next line. That where it says service programming, and you have to go to it through the same way. So launch Tech Connect line. So you have 2 ways. If you need a GDS, you're gonna do it that way. If you want to do programming, you have to do it with another fast. So you have 2 places to choose. If you don't have GDS, you just have to use the second one. You see now here, it's a different line. It's a different platform that it would take you into it. You see now it retrieve it. So now you see here, in this area here, I believe it can give you, let me see, let me close this. You see here, it's different. Dashboard, SPS. Okay, let me see dashboard, what I have on the dashboard. This is a dashboard. So here is a different story. So go to SPS, connect to vehicle. I want to do the same car, and then select it. In this page here, you only have diagnosis and programming. Only programming. GDS is not available here. Okay, and then I will go to SPS again. You say failed. Sps2, it will never fail. Yes, now this is the service programming. Whatever you want, you open here, program only, then auto connect, click next on the bottom, and now it take you to any. This is the same SBS1, SBS2, the same. Here is the computers. What you want to do? I want to check the engine control module. Is there anything on it? This is 2021. It's impossible to have any programming, I believe. But let's see, reading vehicle data. Car is running. This is a quick information. Please subscribe, share, and like. An idea how Tech Connect or TLC, Tech Hotline Connect, you see here. download calibration from the server. Oh my goodness, let me turn the key off. Select calibration. You know, like it was try to do any programming. I don't want to do that. No. Is the ECM replacement? I say no. It say no programming request. Procedure not required. Successful finish. So this is how I'm gonna click finish. You're gonna close this one here. Proceed same VIN. And if you have any other module you want to program, radio for example, all the modules that in the car, this is how it is. But this is SPS. You don't have GDS here. You want to get GDS, you close this completely and then go to the other one if you have a GDS subscription. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Subscribe, share and like. And if you have any problem, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Actually, the car was being programmed by Maxi MI6, but you have to turn the ignition off. You wait for at least maybe 10 minutes and then turn the ignition on. That's what I realized. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.